Intermittent fasting for beginners. What is intermittent fasting? Hi there, welcome back to our channel. If you're practicing intermittent fasting or just curious about it, today we're diving into an essential topic: intermittent fasting for beginners. Whether you're fasting for health, weight loss or mental clarity, what you eat during your eating window matters, just as much as when consuming normal meals. Intermittent fasting is an eating plan in which you alternate between periods of eating and fasting. There are different versions of intermittent fasting. The common one is the 16-to-8 method, which means 16-hour fast with 8-hour eating window. The focus should be on both the timing of meals and the quality of food consumed. If done correctly, the following benefits can be experienced from intermittent fasting. A. Weight loss. B. Lowered blood pressure and cholesterol levels. C. Prevention or control of diabetes. D. Improved brain health. The science behind intermittent fasting. After eating, carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, absorbed into the bloodstream, and used as energy or stored as glycogen and fat. During fasting, the body uses stored glycogen for energy. Once glycogen is depleted, typically after 10 to 12 hours, it starts breaking down fats into free fatty acids, which are converted into fuel in the liver. This is how extended fasting results in fat loss and associated health benefits. Role of insulin in intermittent fasting. Insulin regulates glucose levels, rising after meals and lowering between meals. Eating throughout the day keeps insulin levels high, potentially leading to insulin insensitivity, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Fasting lowers insulin levels, reducing diabetes risk. It should be noted that supplements like vitamins, omega-3 oils and electrolytes like potassium and magnesium are fine to take during intermittent fasting, as they don't stimulate insulin. Besides, fasting can deplete the body's stores of electrolytes, especially during prolonged fasting, when electrolytes can be lost during sweating and urination. Benefits of intermittent fasting for brain health. Fasting challenges the brain, similar to physical or cognitive exercise. It promotes the production of neurotrophic factors, supporting neuron growth and survival. Who should avoid intermittent fasting? A. Children and teens. B. Pregnant or breastfeeding women. C. People with eating disorders, type 1 diabetes, advanced diabetes or other medical issues. D. Underweight or frail individuals. Explore the best foods to eat during intermittent fasting to boost weight loss and regulate blood sugar levels. Healthy foods for intermittent fasting. 1. Fish and seafood. These are rich in protein and omega-3 fats, which reduce inflammation and support overall health. Think of options like salmon, sardines, mackerel, shrimp, mussels, anchovies and even lobster. Including these in your eating window can help keep your body fueled and your cells healthy. 2. Vegetables. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, they're essential for your overall health. Add leafy greens like spinach and kale or nutrient-rich options like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, asparagus and celery to your meals. You'll feel fuller and get a burst of energy to power through your day. 3. Protein. Protein is a must for maintaining muscle mass, balancing blood sugar, and keeping your metabolism high. Great sources include eggs, chicken breast, cottage cheese, plain yogurt, legumes, almonds and cashews. 4. Healthy fats. They're crucial for energy, hormone production and nutrient absorption. Think olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, chia seeds, flax seeds, olives and of course, avocados. Don't fear fat but embrace it in moderation for its health benefits. 5. Fruits. Fruits can be a refreshing and nutrient-rich option during your eating window. Stick to low to medium sugar fruits like raspberries, blackberries, kiwi, grapefruit, apples and strawberries in moderation. Lemons, limes, avocados, and tomatoes are also excellent choices. Avoid overloading on fructose to maintain your fasting benefits. 6. Legumes and beans. Legumes and beans are true superfoods. Packed with fiber, protein and essential nutrients, they help balance blood sugar, reduce cravings and promote gut health. Think black beans, chickpeas, lentils, green beans and kidney beans. They're a fantastic addition to any meal plan. And for snacks during your eating window, small portions of nuts or a light salad are great, but keep it minimal to avoid breaking your fasting benefits. 7. Herbs and spices. Who says healthy eating has to be boring? Herbs and spices not only enhance flavor but also have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Add turmeric, ginger, rosemary, cinnamon or sage to your dishes for a delicious and health-boosting kick. 8. Drinks. Finally, let's talk drinks. During your fasting window, avoid calorie-containing drinks like soda, fruit juice or coffee and tea with milk or sweeteners. Instead, stick to black coffee, herbal teas, green teas, and of course, water. Staying hydrated is crucial, so drink up. To maximize weight loss with intermittent fasting, steer clear of these 4 food categories. 1. Refined carbohydrates. First up, refined carbohydrates. These are your white bread, white rice, sugary cereals and basically, anything that's been stripped of its nutrients during processing. Here's the problem: refined carbs cause rapid blood sugar spikes. Your body responds by releasing a ton of insulin to deal with it, and that excess insulin often signals your body to store fat. Plus, those quick spikes are usually followed by crashes, leaving you hungry and craving even more carbs. So, instead of white bread, go for whole grain options. Instead of sugary cereals, try oatmeal or something high in fiber. Trust me, your body will thank you. 2. Added sugars. These sneaky little guys are in sugary drinks, candies, chocolates, and even some so-called healthy snacks. The problem with added sugars? They're packed with empty calories. That means they give you energy but zero nutrition, and they're a huge contributor to weight gain. Plus, eating sugar regularly keeps you hooked. It's like your brain gets addicted to that sweet kick. Instead of sugary drinks, stick to water, herbal tea, or black coffee. And if you need something sweet, opt for fresh fruit or a small piece of dark chocolate. You'll still satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your progress. 3. Saturated fats. Think bacon, sausages, and other processed meats, as well as things like lard. Why are these a problem? Well, they're packed with unhealthy fats and calories that can stall your weight loss journey. Plus, saturated fats are linked to higher cholesterol levels and increased risk of heart disease, not exactly what you're going for when trying to get healthier. Instead, focus on lean proteins like chicken, turkey or plant-based options like lentils and tofu. Your meals can still be delicious without all that extra saturated fat weighing you down. 4. Processed foods. Last but definitely not least are processed foods, which includes cakes, biscuits and fast food. All the things that taste amazing but don't do much for your body. Processed foods are often packed with added sugars, unhealthy fats and artificial ingredients. They're engineered to make you overeat, which is the opposite of what you want during intermittent fasting. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains and healthy fats like avocados are your best friends. They'll keep you full and energized without sabotaging your progress. And there you have it, the 4 food categories to avoid if you're serious about maximizing weight loss with intermittent fasting. Remember, intermittent fasting is a powerful tool, but combining it with smart food choices is the real game changer. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments, what's your biggest challenge with intermittent fasting? Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.